Mga ganyan.
Okay.
Like my
Sweet home sent in the but in the US,
I kept saying, and apparently it's not something.
Yeah.
pero officially Monster Radio RX 93.1 and good morning everyone.
Good morning.
Off air, it's officially Anoy Bea Day.
Yep. At the
It has
very
started
start of the
way
It has
too
started.
early.
No,
Way
it's
too
never.
early.
You know, like what was our record?
What?
Yung shots were fired
Shots were
at like
fired as early as-
6:03 mga
6:03,
ganyan.
yeah.
Okay.
Like mics weren't even on.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Fine.
Maaga
So it's
na
never
sa
too
start.
early.
6:09.
You know what? If we were actually here earlier, I think shots would be fired earlier.
Earlier.
as well.
Fine. Whatever.
As early as like parang 3 minutes.
I'm gonna try to
Shots
smile.
will be fired.
I'm
Shots
trying
will
to
be fired.
smile.
No, it doesn't have to wait
It's a
for so
wonderful
long.
day.
No.
Exactly.
It is.
It's a great day.
All right, so remember yesterday we were
Okay.
thinking that we should do this topic as a top 10. So we might
Right.
as well do it today.
Yeah.
And
Okay.
Homer Sweet Home sent in the actual wording
Yeah.
Okay.
of
The
the top
slumbook
10.
question.
The top 10 adult slum book questions.
Oh.
All right.
And you know what? I was, Carla and I were talking about it because I was like, is slum book one word or two words? So we were Googling it.
Yeah.
Some would say two words, some would
Okay.
say
I think
one
it's
word.
one word.
I think
Pero
it's one word.
more of two words. And the shock
Oh,
of my
really?
life was,
Yeah.
apparently, it's not just a Filipino thing. But in the US,
Yeah.
even in Urban Dictionary, even in Wikipedia,
Okay.
it's a slam book.
Slam book. Yeah.
Not slum book.
Okay. So, can I just say, I grew up thinking it was slam book.
Yeah.
But people were saying slum book. So me trusting my mind, I was like, okay, I'm probably
Wait,
wrong.
is it the same way that you trusted your mind when you thought it was trend of thought?
Hey, first of all, trend of thought is a medical term.
Trend of
Stop
thought?
it! That my lola kept saying, and apparently it's not something that you say in real life.
What kind of trend of thought is that?
Oh, look, it's a choo-choo trend.
Good God.
Who sang Soul Sister?
Hazel Sister.
Hazel Sister. The trend.
Trend.
Duh. Duh.
But anyway,
How to
yeah,
trend
I
your,
do
How to
remember.
trend your dragon?
All right.
Oh, nga,
All
it's Anoy
right.
Bea Day.
All
It's
right,
a big Illinois
guys.
Bea Day.
Hindi, pero apparently,
Slam book.
officially, it's
I thought it was a slam book. when
Why
I
would they
was-
call it a slam book though? I mean, do you slam anyone in it?
No.
But what's
it's supposed
slum?
to be Kasi di ba slums parang like
Tambay.
parang shanties, na ganyan.
Shanties,
So, I don't know why. Hindi, obviously, it's the way we pronounce it. So from slam
book.
No, like slum
Slum
the door.
book.
Slum the door.
Slum the door.
Pero for the sake of, because here in the Philippines,
Slumdog.
it's more
Slum dog.
Because of the way we pronounce things.
the way we pronounce it, and it's really more known here as slum book.
Yeah.
Pero officially, apparently,
It's a
it's
slam.
slam
I think
book.
I think I got confused because you know how you parang they give gifts, people give you gifts, and then
Yeah.
you know how like siguro if it's like some US brand, it would be slam book on some of my stuff as a kid.
Pero, yeah.
I would get confused, but it's slam book.
Kasi if
Slam
it's
book
here,
here.
if it's here in the
confused,
Philippines-
if you get confused with it naman, you can easily trend yourself.
Ay, nako. She's giving you the evil eye.
Giving me the evil eye.
Pero if you bought, kunyari, in a
If
bookstore,
looks could kill, I would have been dead a long time ago.
if you
Long
actually
time
buy
ago.
from a bookstore, it will spell it as slum,
Slum book.
Officially here in the Philippines, it's
Yeah. Right.
slum.
Slum.
Okay.
book. So examples, adult slum book questions. Define love, although it's purely a mythical creature like unicorns and leprechauns.
Wow.
Kasi jaded na eh.
Jaded
Yeah,
na eh. Hindi na
that's
sa
true.
the
So,
youthful
We all know that question, who is your best friend? But then we all know who your